A very valuable test to know in diagnosing the washer is the factory test mode. To enter the factory test mode, press the Help key, then press the Start, Stop, and Help keys simultaneously for 3 seconds. Entering the test load will give you a display of contrast for the LCD screen. Pressing the Start Stop pad will cycle you through the tests. Each time you press Start Stop, you'll go to a different cycle on the test. At this particular point, the control is actually testing the brake resistor for you. You also see on here temperature readings. IMP and ATM are thermistor temperatures on the board. The inverter board is being measured. IMP is the actual temperature of the board. ATM is the temperature inside the inverter housing. Water temperature is the actual thermistor temperature. All these temperatures are in centigrade. Use the conversion chart at the back of the service guide for Fahrenheit values. A very important key on the LCD screen at this point is the contrast pad. You're able to change contrast between 90 and 180. 180 is the darker of the two resolutions. The contrast is set at the factory based on the output voltage of the inverter board. Should you replace the inverter board or replace the control board, you may need to adjust the contrast setting so it matches the dryer or matches customer expectations. Pressing the Start Stop pad again will cycle you through components. You can test the cold valve. You can test the hot water valve. The bleach valve. The softener valve. And the special additive valve. Each one of these valves can be energized independently for up to 5 minutes, giving you more than enough time to take voltage readings at the solenoid coil itself. You can test drive at this point, actually giving you a measurement on water level by frequency. The current reading you see there is 26.5 kilohertz. Disregard dry load sensing data. That is a factory test, but you are able to test the pump motor at this point. Pressing Start Stop again will cycle you out of the factory test mode.